Bago, 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 Number one Jamaican from 80s with 80s, the body, your body, the rate, baby. You gonna blaze me, you gotta be crazy. Either fugazi, baby, don't try to play me. I roll with niggas that getting deep in the ass like the Navy. Listen, baby, I roll with 2 in 3380 and 4/5. Both of these bitches pregnant, they both spit. When niggas pop shit, they cock quick and drop shit. Niggas, you just can't stop this. Niggas come around acting like the ruthless. Think the hardest nails coming off the screw shit, can't do shit. When these lines come off, blazing place, looking like July 4th, Sean Vegas, nigga. Say what? You don't know, pack more tools and Home Depot. Backing down on the low like Zoe with your 34 laces with grade, but to believe you won't even grade no more. Say no more, activate my mama, pray some more, cause you about to go when I hit you with the calico. Face you with 50, leave a nigga in the name of pocket biggie for any nigga that wanna get with me. I take them on, mine and with many. Matter of fact, I race to them, chill. Told niggas, son, I be chillin', son. I don't want to show these niggas how to rhyme, son. Like Raekwon and Ghost say, show these niggas how to rhyme, son. That's just one style out of many. I be fucking around, so I be hearing niggas with their bullshit. Like, come on, son, like for real. This shit is lightweight to me. That's just something I ain't even write. This is a rhyme from like 9/7. So all that Machine Gun Kelly, Busta Rhymes, stupid shit. I was doing this listening to Twister Adrenaline, and that nigga Chick Food from Food Snickers was rhyming. Word up, met the nigga in Santana Park. That inspired me to write that book right there. So, you know, it is what it is. Holla at your boy. Federal Notes. It's the